Alright guys, welcome back to the Jenna One podcast. This is your boy Quandino. I got here with me Kadeen. She's my guest for today. Today we're gonna talk about you know what it is?
CBD.
The CBD tea that has been circulating around the internet. If you go on Instagram, Facebook, somebody will push something in your face and say, buy this and lose weight. Alright? So we're gonna talk about that and we're gonna talk about music on a whole, how Afrobeats and the UK MCs are actually making a name for themselves right now in the industry. So welcome to the Gentleman Podcast again. So first thing first, the tea that everyone is now getting their hands on to start a business. I have some friends who tried it that sells it on my Instagram. This according to them, it works tremendously. They post before and after pictures. Now, as a vegan and as a mind and body coach, fitness coach, I believe in getting your body the right way by going to the gym, eating properly and stuff like that. But I don't know a lot about it, so that's why Kadeen is here and she's going to explain how the tea works and if is it a good product.
All right, let me say this. I don't have much information as how it works, but I just started taking it, and let me say this. Point blank, I don't like it.
Why?
Because the taste is not appealing, and then it at my belly bad. Like the stomach pain is just, it's not comfortable or anything like that. So I think, well, I spoke to my cousin about it, and I told her the whole experience that I had with it, and she told me that the one that I have maybe is too strong, which is the lemon flavored one. Does it work? So far I can't tell if it works for me, but I'm going to keep on trying it to see. But I feel some type of way about the whole CBD.
So hold on there. You don't check the health benefits, and cause you know you have after effects when you take certain things. So you never try like look up the after effects, or if it damage anything or things of that sort of things or whatever.
No, like I never think of it, because a lot of people take it and when I hear nobody come and say, oh, it do this or whatever, and it make them feel some type of way. So far everybody say it work miracle for them.
Alright.
So far me not gonna say it do this to me or do that for me. The only thing happens though, it make you go to the bathroom. That me can say for sure. To me, I think it's something like the ballerina tea. If you don't know about the ballerina tea was out before the CBD. I think it's like that, but I think it's like it's an advance of the ballerina tea. And then the thing about it is them sell it as a package. So if you buy the tea, you have to buy the NutriBurst. Why? Because the tea, after me drink it and me go to the bathroom and me wake up, I was so miserable because me feel lazy, me feel drained. And then with that feeling, you drink the NutriBurst to restore your energy. Yeah, that's how we do. So it's like a packaging. You can't buy one and not buy the other one. So I don't know. I'm going to try it and see if it works. I don't want to lose any weight. I just want to detox a little. So let's see.
But as a vegan, you know you have like natural like detox where you can get from like fruits and like plants and stuff like that. Cause for me personally, so me have a cheat day, and for my cheat day me eat like 2 vegan burger and like a whole heap of French fries. You see me, big belly something. But when me say alright, then me go flush out that little thing that me eat, and you know, or burn it out back in a little muscle. What me do now is just get some ginger, some celery, you see me? Some spinach, some beetroot, you see me? And carrot, and mix that up. And get little what name, cayenne pepper, and drop it in it. And that's my detox. You see me, call me research them thing there and know say alright then them thing are natural fruits and plants, so me I do my detox. But like me say, I think according to what I have heard, I think it is a natural.
Yeah,
It's a tea made of natural plants
and
and
then
stuff like
I
that,
think
herbs and stuff like that.
another thing that I don't like, I don't understand why the Dubai people them a come on Instagram and them somebody come promote the tea don't
Yeah, hold on,
nobody.
me
Don't
fi
do
talk,
nothing for nobody.
me fi talk to Uno too. Uno see Uno fi stop it.
Them lie.
Uno go to Dr. Miami and tell Dr. Miami to fix up on the body. Uno never get that body there from neutral blood clot burst. Excuse me French or me Spanish. Uno never get that body there from neutral burst. Uno too lie.
Them a
World dog calling out already about it. Uno fi stop it. And say if the man sister them don't get good looking body, man say sister them a favor kneel and truck. Uno fi stop it. Stop walk and talk about neutral burst go now. What them name? I'm going to good up body.
Yeah,
A doctor
like,
going on nobody.
Me don't
Alright?
like it because honestly,
Because the people that actually do this thing, yeah, actually take it and actually make it work. And them people have to talk about it. Uno will go a doctor and them something for that. Nothing come talk about when you get to know nobody from the tea. You see me?
like me don't like that and them a sell it, which me not have a problem if you sell it or whatever, but don't come out make it look like say this is part of the transformation. Like me don't like that. I'm rather buy it from somebody.
Hold on, if
Me rather buy it from somebody when me know say somebody like a regular person like me and you when me know say yeah them body. You know me not go buy. Me not care how good your body want. Me not buy it.
my body look good, you wanna buy from me?
No, I eat gear your body. I eat gear your body stuff.
I start selling too. What I say? But anyway, well, me go. What we are gonna do? We want actually support the people when I sell this tea. You see me? If it good, it good. If it bad, you know, so you have to stop take it. You see me? And from my perspective, if the tea bad, I think we should actually sell it to people. I think we should actually know say yo, money good, but not every money good. You see me?
I don't think it's a bad product, you know. I really don't think it's a bad product. I think for some reason there's a little bird on my shoulder that is telling me that them kind of hype it up more than how it for hype up. Me think is a advanced version of the ballerina tea. I just saw me feel, but which I'm going to still try the product.
So hold on there, based on what I hear, I mean, you have weed in it or some type of like.
Yeah, the CBD, it have it in it.
So I have to go take that, man.
Me I wonder if when me take it last time, you make me feel a way.
I have to go take that, man, cause I want to fly, you know, I want to go down to this code 9, you know.
I wonder if that talk up to nobody daytime. You feel say you did talk up to nobody, not true?
And I know, cause you say you want shit and all them something, me I say, yo, I mean, I forgot that, I mean, you're not going to take tea, you know, brother, so you're there for your own, you know, brother.
But I'm going to try the tea for at least 2 weeks, and then you know maybe post if it work for me and all them something here. But yeah, me not gonna live funny like how me see some people live funny.
Alright. So here what we say, if you don't know some of the people who sell the tea, make them know so we want to know everything about the tea, and we can do one look at research, but people actually sell it, want them give them feedback about the tea. You see me? Want them tell
and give me some nice space.
She not give me none of the cake.
Right,
yeah, so the people that know about this tea, I want to know, as I tag them in a video and make them know say we want to know more about the tea, so we can actually at least get them over here, make them give you a one conversation over on the podcast, yeah? And then we can share everything what we need to know about the tea, so other people can actually get a better insight about the tea. So people probably have speculations about it, can actually have a concrete evidence and say, yo, alright then sir, it is this and it is that. You see me? Because nobody make nothing and go tell us, yo, it's going to kill you if you take it. You know? They're going to tell us, no man, you make you strong and healthy, man. Strong like a Godzilla, man. You see me? But anyway, that is enough about the CBT oil or CBTT, what name?
CBDT.
CBDT, like ABC 1, 2, 3.
Oh god.
Alright? So, next thing now, what me want to step on, Zane, is the evolution of Afrobeats and UK rap. First thing first, my office say congratulations to Burna Boy especially.
Yeah, big up you.
Burna Boy, I think he win the Grammy. Coffee, big up yourself too.
Burna Boy win Grammy?
Yeah man, I think he win a Grammy. He win some type of award, I think, man. But anyway,
Burna Boy no win no Grammy tag.
yo, the man win a Grammy, brother. The man win a Grammy, man. The man mother.
Him collect something, but me not think a Grammy. A Grammy?
Yeah, man, the man win a Grammy, man. Yeah, man, the man win a Grammy.
Oh, me never, well, I didn't know. I didn't know about that.
Yeah,
Me
man,
know him
think-
did, me know
and
him
him
did
mother-
collect
him
some
mother they
award,
collect,
but me
yeah.
never, I didn't, well. Me know now. Me know now.
No, he never win a Grammy.
See? Make it right?
I think, yo, the man win an award.
You
You
have
see
to
me?
get your facts right before you come on here.
The man win an award, but the fact that him win it, and it was based off the Afrobeat genre. It is commended. You see me? So big up yourself, brother. You do good. We appreciate the effort. You put out good music. When me at the gym, majority of the time is my playlist consists of three people. I down here, Governor, Burner Boy. You see me? Everybody knows me. I don't have fan long time. You see me? So I'm a Diablo fan long time, aka Governor. We are listening Governor fan the man named Diablo. You see me? Anyway, I want to say yo, to all the music escalate right now is like everybody want to hear Afrobeat music, including me and KD. Like
Yeah, me love Afrobeats.
if me go,
like,
I want to hear some Afrobeats. You see me? Right now, sometimes I want to go out and hear some Afrobeats more than me hear actual dance and reggae.
let me tell you something. Like Afrobeats, it have a thing to it. Like me not listen to hip hop none at all. No, a garbage that. Me not listen to hip hop.
No,
if it's
you
not,
can't say that.
Me don't like it.
And every hip hop a garbage.
Well,
you
me
see
not
me?
well.
Because
Well,
you have
I don't
good
like.
music.
I don't like.
Chris
hip-hop
Brown make
music.
good music. Eminem, Kendrick Lamar, well, probably them in the rap category.
Me
But
not listen to them no
You see me?
rap. No, if it's
J.
not
Cole.
dancehall, reggae or Afrobeats, they ain't talking to me. And right now, Afrobeats I take over all of them. Me not lie. Like
yeah, Afro. Alright, let me tell you the thing about it. When you listen to a like a rap or like a hip hop type music, from the start you can know say this is garbage. But sometimes even you know when the Afrobeat music I say, like you can still dance to it and catch a vibe. You see me?
exactly.
So that is one of the good things when me actually find out about it, which I think is a good thing. But like we said, big up the Afrobeat people and big up the UK rappers them, because the UK right now, the UK rap them, if you don't actually listen to it, you can see the man them actually spit bars. Man,
Yeah,
like
them-
Chipmunk,
them hardcore.
Dave, yeah, like you have a whole heap of man right now where I do UK music where no people not even know about. Drake collab with a few of them. Drake signed Dave to OVO Records because Drake actually say yo, there is talent. You see me? And you know so from Drake side, your man must say you have talent. You see me? And thing. So yeah, best of all them man them to them UK and them Afrobeats thing. Mr. Easy, Burna Boy, Wizkid, Davido, and let me tell you something.
Don't forget about Kiss Daniel.
Kiss Daniel, and Skibby. We all need to listen to them people, and them people are wicked,
And
brother.
Zidane.
And and a Zidane man, and Zlatan.
Where
See?
get Zidane from? Yeah,
You see me?
Zlatan.
Zlatan bad. You see me? All them man, them big dancer from Africa, Pokoli. All them man, they are real. Like, man, them a take dancing and the music. Because everybody knows say them really look up to dancehall at a certain extent. You see me? And majority of them kind of mix dancehall with Afrobeat. So it give way a better feeling and a better vibes. So
Yeah, cause I think me that watch something with Burna Boy and him saying like I think him get some inspiration from Shabarangs.
yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, them mix.
And I'm not saying him get inspiration too from I think Super Cat and them man. Me in the interview I saying get some inspiration from like Super Cat and them man. But yeah, like I say, big up the whole of them man them. Thanks again for joining us. We have some things we want to just display up on the screen here. So if you guys are looking for protein shake and you want to get your body intact, you can go to orgain.com. You can use my promo code and that is DINHO11. You can get discount on your orders. Support your boy, support the General One podcast. Follow us on Instagram. The Instagram is GENNA1_podcast. Follow us on Instagram. You can find myself on Instagram if you want to get workout tips, meal prep, and stuff like that. You can find me on Instagram as well, and that's Dino, DINHO _fitness_11. Thank you guys for joining us. Big up yourself, stay safe. We're in a quarantine. We are going work.
Quarantine done.
Quarantine done, which part and see virus still out the door. I kick up rumpus. Anyway, best up on yourself. God bless you now.
Bye.